what you're going to need is a device that has a rechargeable battery. In this case, I have got a PS3 gamepad which is dead. So the battery must have a BMS protection on it. This is this circuit board here. I also have this shuffle player, and this is the battery that I removed from it. It also has a BMS circuit board. So now let's check the voltage of the batteries. Now the battery voltage must be above 2.5 volts if it's okay. Okay, this is below, way below. This is useless. Let me throw it away. And let me check the battery that came from the shuffle. Oh my goodness, this is 4 volts. This is going to work. So this is our winner right here. Now these are the headphones that I want to work on. So just remove the earpad there. Then that is the battery right there. It's very small. So a close up, you can see on the PCB there are some markings there that indicate the battery plus and the battery minus. So it's very easy. You just need to connect your next battery in parallel to this one. Okay, so let me remove the battery first and attach it to the other battery in parallel. Then I'll reattach it to the PCB. Let me just remove some solder that is left on the pads there. Now positive to positive, negative to negative. Red is usually positive, but if you're not sure, you can just confirm with the multimeter. Now let me tin the joints. Apparently I don't have my film extractor. Somebody borrowed it. You don't need to do this for very long because you can get irritated in the lungs. Okay, now let me tin the pads of the PCB so that they can be joined to the terminals of the batteries. I have to get my film extractor back very soon. Let me join the batteries to the pads, positive with the terminal marked battery plus, then negative the terminal marked battery negative. Okay, I think it's done. Let me just check if the joints are strong. Okay, it seems like I've made a solid connection there. Now let me stick the batteries so that I can actually close the headphones. But before that, I have to test whether the headphones are still working. Let me turn them on. Okay, they're still turning on. That's a good sign. Okay, let me play something from the tablet. Let me try to raise the volume. Okay, it's maximum the volume, but I can hear something. Yeah. Okay, I've raised the volume there and it's still working. Let me try to play another song. Okay, I don't have anything on my playlist, so let me just go back to the library and get another song to play. Let me use the facility of VLC to raise the volume even higher. Okay, still working, but please don't do this, you damage your headphones. Now let me close them. So the other side you have to put some counterweight so that the headphones do not get overweight on the other side, and they'll be comfortable when you wear them as well if you have weight on the other side. Let me just close it back. So you can just find something and you try to balance the headphones out and see if they are balanced in weight. Now let me turn them on. Let's just test another feature, which is the radio. Okay, now you do realize that this is going to be on my head and over my ears, and I can actually hear this without the headphones on my ears. Imagine if they are on my ears. These headphones are really loud, really loud. Let me look for another station. Okay. So there you have it, guys. How you can raise the runtime of your headphones